Train has
Hello
5
guys
coaches.
and welcome back.
First class
Hello guys and welcome back to another video from
zones
Places.
7 and
Today
6.
we will
Standard class in zones
Right.
10 to 8.
Here we go. Here I am. Here we have 800 and then coming in a minute is another
We want to modernise the way we retail tickets and
Azumia.
support our customers at this stage.
Azumia.
A consultation process is currently open and has been extended until the 1st of September.
Azumias.
You are invited to respond to these proposed changes. If you would like to give feedback, please visit lner.co.uk/news for more information.
Yep. Modernizing. Modernizing. Maybe modernizing. Maybe modernizing. No. I'm just waiting for the other one. To the train going. Very cold. I'm waiting for another train.
Platform 1 for the 11:18 LNER Azuma service to London King's Cross. Calling at Stevenage and London King's Cross. This train has 5 coaches. First class accommodation can be found in zones 1 and 2. Standard class in zones 3 to 5.
Any screenshots? Take it. Take that shot. At 800, 205. I forgot what the other one was. I'll have to look back on the footage. There it is. The Azumias. They are beasts, but also kind of not beasts. Are they Mr. Beasts? No. See you, bud. Yeah. See you in a little while for another video. Bye.